Here is how I can flip through images using a socket in Blender. So you have your cube, go to edit mode and murder every single one of the vertices except one so that he'll remember it. And then go to object, set origin, geometry to origin. Then to import your images, make sure you have images as planes add-on. If not, go download it and then come back to this tutorial. Alright, now import your images. I have 4. And then you can just click this ball to like show your images. After that, you want to rename the cube to image display. Okay, now go to your geometry nodes editor and then click new. Then just detach everything. Then add instances on points and join geometry and then attach them all together. On instances, add object info and then just eyedropper example image. I'll eyedrop this one. Then what I did here is just scale and rotate the image so that I can see it better in my viewport. Okay, now you want to move these 3 all the way to the right. And then under interface, you just make a new input and then move the geometry up the socket. And then you change it to integer. And then 1, 1, and 4 for the amount of images I have for the default min-max. Next, in the socket, you want to put an add node and then put the value to 0.001. After that, you duplicate it and then change the add to greater than. Then you just plug the value to the value. Then the threshold to 1. Then we add a switch node and put it in between object info. Make sure to set it to true and then the greater than you plug into switch. So what this tells geometry nodes to do is if the socket is greater than 1, it will flip through that image you picked. Okay, now to make it work for the other numbers is just to duplicate it 4 times for the number of images I have. So I have 4 images and move this back to the right here. Then you just connect it to the instances. Then for the every output, you just put to the false. There we go. Then for each greater than value, I want the socket to increase by 1. So the threshold will be 1, 2, 3, 4. And the corresponding image that will show, you want to put that in as well. So greater than 2 is 2, greater than 3 is 3, and so on. Lastly, you just have to put the add value and plug it into the value of the greater than so that it has somewhere to compare to. Now everything should work. All you have to do is just flip through your socket. And it looks like it worked. You could even key this in the timeline. You just key it normally and then put it to 4. If you play it, it should work. You can also control it by adding a driver. So if you make a cube and then you right click on the socket and click add driver, and then you select the cube and then set the driver to be the cube's Y location. Then if you move the cube to its Y location, then it should flip accordingly. Yeah. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you and goodbye.
My name is Edwin. I made the mimic. It was difficult to put the pieces together, but unfortunately something went so wrong, and now I can't do anything but sing the stupid song.